Let's study the multiplication table from 1 to 5. 1 times table. 1 time any number is the same number. The product is always the same as the number that we are multiplying by. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 2 times table. Multiplying by 2 is the same as doubling or adding the number to itself. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 3 times table. Multiplying by 3 is triple times of a number. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 4 times table. If you want to multiply a number by 4 quickly, then double it twice. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 5 times table. The 5 times table is easy to learn if you remember that all answers end in 5 or a 0. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Here you can see all the tables from 1 to 5. Subscribe, like,